Gridlock Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Gridlock Wallet app is changing the way people think about crypto security, but how well does it actually perform? Here are the pros and cons you should know before deciding if it's right for you. Starting with the pros, Gridlock's standout feature is its innovative backup system. Instead of relying on a single recovery phrase, Gridlock splits your wallet's recovery information into multiple encrypted shares. These are stored separately, some by you, some by trusted contacts, and others in secure cloud storage. This means that even if one share is compromised, your crypto stays safe. Another advantage is non-custodial control. You're still the true owner of your assets. Gridlock doesn't hold your funds or private keys, which ensures your independence and security. The wallet also offers multi-asset support, allowing you to manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies in one place. Plus, the interface is modern, clear, and beginner-friendly. Now for the cons. The biggest one is complexity. While the multi-party backup system is powerful, it may feel overcomplicated for casual users who just want something simple. Another downside is that Gridlock is relatively new, meaning it doesn't yet have the same long-term trust or user base as wallets like MetaMask or Ledger. Some users might hesitate to store large amounts in a newer platform. And finally, limited integrations, at least for now. It doesn't connect to as many dApps or DeFi protocols as more established wallets. In conclusion, the Gridlock Wallet app delivers a fresh take on crypto security using distributed trust instead of traditional recovery phrases. The surprising truth? It's one of the safest ways to protect your crypto if you're willing to learn its system. For users who value innovation and peace of mind, Gridlock could be a game changer.